Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you're doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your bonus love reading. Sorry, bonus love messages. Okay, bonus love messages for the month of May. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, and let's see what are the messages. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius May 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for the month of May 2021. Okay, so this is the message which I was getting. A new start is coming for you. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Okay. So let's see. So the message for you is that okay, you need to step out of your comfort zone, Aquarius. Okay, your commitment is being tested and you need to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, comfort zone, you need to step out of your comfort zone and your commitment is being tested. Take time to breathe out. Okay, you need to take time to breathe out. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius and prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. Okay, so luck is on your side and prosperity is going to, prosperity lies ahead. Abundance is coming for you. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Here it's time to take action. New moon in Aries. So right now you need to take the action here. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Okay, and there is expect powerful change here. So that was the same message which I was telling you, that there is a powerful new start which is going to happen for you. Expect powerful change. A personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. Here a win-win outcome is forecast for you, which is full moon in Libra. A new romantic cycle is going to begin for you. A new moon in Libra here again. So yes, this was the message from Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with is Sagittarius, Libra, Cancer, Taurus, Virgo, Aries, and Leo. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from Numerology deck for Aquarius May 2021. What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Please give me the messages. Try to eat healthy as much as you can, Aquarius. This was the same message in your bonus reading also. You can have a look on that video too. Okay, so yes, there is a manifestation which is going to happen in your life. If you are manifesting something, your manifestation is coming true. Okay, there is spirituality here, number 77, and spend some time in nature here. Spend some time in nature. There is love partnership which is coming for you here. Okay, You need to keep your patience right now here. Keep your patience with you, Aquarius. There is parenting here, so if you have kids at home, do your parenting here. There is a karmic completion which you are completing out. Karmic completion is completing. Maybe you are seeing the number synchronicities of 10 10 here. Okay, there is self love which is indicated, and creativity. Use your creativity and love yourself first. Self love and creativity is required. Abundance is coming for you. Lot of abundance is coming for you here. And there is teaching and learning. Okay, so which is the important message for you? So these are the messages from numerology deck, and the numbers which can be important for you is 7 and 8. 6, 7 and 8 can be an important number for you. 6, 7 and 8 can be an important number for you. So this was the message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius May? Okay. Spend some time with nature here. Again, the same messages here. You need to spend some time with nature, Aquarius. Okay, spend some time in nature. Same message is here. That will help you out into healing and ground your energy. So spend some time in nature. Okay, so there is adventures. Lot of adventure is coming for you, and there is lot of wisdom which is coming for you. You need to work on your shadow self. Okay, shadow self is here. Protection is available for you. You are being protected by the divine. Okay, release anything which you need to release, which don't serve your highest good, and trust in the divine. Trust in the divine plan. Everything is happening for your good. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck, and this is beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from animal spirits. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Okay, a lot of messages. So there is eagle spirit. Spirit has your back, Aquarius. Okay, you are not alone. Spirit has your back. Okay, wolf spirit is here. Turn knowledge into wisdom. You have beautiful knowledge inside of you, so you need to turn your knowledge into wisdom. There is rabbit spirit. Now is the lucky time. Luck is on your side. Okay, so yes, this is right now. This is the right time. There is lizard spirit. Dream the world into being. Okay, there is electric L spirit. Bring your ideas to life. Okay, bring your ideas into life. Then there is spider spirit. Make your dreams real. Okay, make your dreams real. There is rhino spirit. You can overcome any obstacle. Okay, overcome any obstacle. There is horse spirit. Freedom is yours. There is cat spirit. Claim your independence. Freedom is yours. Claim your independence. And there is armadillo spirit. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself. You need to set up healthy boundaries around yourself. So these are the messages. Let's see more messages from Quantum Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow. Beautiful message. There is a true love which is coming for you, Aquarius. This is kindred partnership, which is true love. your soulmate, your twin flame, which is coming for you. Okay, there is a true love and kindred partnership which is coming for you. Right now maybe your energy is fragmented energy is here. Then there is pay your great gratitude. Okay, everything which you have in your life, say thank you to the universe. Okay, always have an attitude of gratitude. There is happy success which is coming for you. Lot of success is coming for you. This is beautiful, I can see that. Let me see more messages. Any other message for Aquarius? Okay. Peace is coming for you. Can you see? Lot of peace is here. There is a loving woman, okay, which is here. And there is stuck energy, but you are going to unstuck it here. Okay. There is status quo. Keep doing whatever you are doing, okay, in your life, because you are ascending here. There is honoring path, 6 of Wands energy, success, recognition, victory is coming for you. There is happy family, happy life, 10 of Cups energy which is coming for you. So these are the messages from this deck, and this is beautiful. Let me see more messages from spell casting oracle deck. Thank you for giving the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021? Lot of blessings are coming for you, Aquarius. Keep your confidence with you. See, again family card is here. Wow. It's the same message here. Protection here, the same message. You are being protected here. Protection is here available for you, Aquarius. You do not have to worry at all. Protection is here. So yes, this is the message. Trust in the divine. Trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan. The same message. Keep your trust in the divine, in the universe. Okay, keep your trust. There is new beginnings which is coming for you. Can you see? New beginnings are coming for you. Okay, and there is family card which I got in here. Same 10 of Cups energy, happy family, happy life. Family energy is here, family card is here. Okay, so many of you are going to get married. Okay, here I'm having commitment. Your commitment is coming for you. There is a commitment which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, so there is a clarity which is coming for you. Maybe you're looking for some kind of clarity, the answers. So yes, the clarity is coming for you. You are beautiful. Keep your beautiful energy with you. Beauty is here. There is love. Love yourself, and love is coming for you, Aquarius. There is animals, so maybe there is a message here from the animals. Okay, if you have pets at home, spend some time with animals. Maybe they want to share some message to you. There is psychic abilities. Your third eye is getting activated. Now you're becoming more intuitive than before. Psychic abilities are coming for you. Keep your confidence with you, Aquarius. Confidence is here, and lot of blessings are coming for you. I can say that. Count your blessings. Blessings are coming for you. Beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from. See, same messages here. Trust. Trust your decision. Trust the divine. Everything is happening according to the divine planning. What are the messages for Aquarius May 2021. What are the messages? Beautiful. Action. Take action. The journey to find your lost self begins with one step. So you need to take that first step here, Aquarius. Say same message. Keep your courage with you. Take the leap of faith and your courage will see you through. Okay. There is a dance here. Step into the light. Share your gifts and talents within the world. There is dreams here. Think big. There are unseen forces ready to support your dreams. There is relaxation. Allow yourself to be lazy. It's okay to do nothing sometimes. Okay, so relaxation is here. Then again, a connection. Connect with someone special. A loved one is a gift to treasure. So these are the messages from this deck, and this is beautiful. Let's see what are the messages from the guides. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius, May 2021? Give me the messages. What are the messages? Okay, so death is an illusion. That's the message I'm having here. Never judge any other person. Okay. Appreciate your talents. Have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, and love is your energy. So love is your energy, Aquarius. So these are the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Thank you for giving the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius, May 2021? What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? Dwell on what you love, Aquarius. Okay, dwell on what you love. Start wherever you are. Okay, start where you are. There is I hurt you. Okay, there is time for a love feast. Love is coming for you, Aquarius, in the month of May. That is for sure. Then there is earlier disappointments were just rehearsal for the great stuff which is coming your way. This is beautiful. Okay, so great things are coming for you. Let me see. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what is the message from love yourself. How to love yourself. I trust myself and the process of life. The moment I am willing to change, it is amazing how the universe brings me what I need. Okay, there is I am centered in truth and peace. The universe is one of the great order and peacefulness, and I reflect this in every moment of my life. There is my past is a part of the richness and fullness of life. Without my past mistakes and all, I would not be here today. So I love myself for my willingness to learn and grow. So these are the three messages which I am getting for you, and this is beautiful, I can say that. Let's add some message from affirmations on love and relationships, and then I'm going to close out. No, there is one more deck. Okay, what is the message? Celebration, loyalty, and surrender. Okay, so you need to surrender yourself to the divine, to the universe. Surrender yourself. There is loyalty. I am there for the people I care about in whatever way they need me. Right to the airport, no problem. Bail you out of the jail, you bet. Go see your band again, maybe. The point is, when I stand with them, I know I'm a part of something special. And to be honest, it does not suck to look around and remember they're standing me too. So loyalty is here. You need to surrender yourself, and there is loyalty, and there is celebration which is coming for you here. So when I come across people in happy, healthy relationship, I give jealousy the finger. and celebrate their joy. When I do so, I'm rooting for the good guys, which means that I am a good guy, and that means all of us win who want to celebrate. So these are the 3 messages which I'm getting for you. Let's add one message from the law of attraction. What is the message for Aquarius? May 2021. My manifesting thoughts are buffered by time. Your earth is a nice environment for fine-tuning your knowledge. For your thoughts do not translate into instant equivalence. Your thoughts are governed by a buffer of time. If you are instantly manifesting, you would be spending more time trying to fix your mistakes than you would be creating what you want. Okay? Then there is I am learning to allow well-being in. The art of allowing is I am that which I am, and I am pleased and joyful in it. And you are that which you are, and while you are different from that which I am, I can allow that, for it is also good. So these are the messages from this deck, and I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. This was your bonus love messages for the month of April, and sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius wherever you are watching this video. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.